You can learn thousands and thousands of things. You can develop many skills. You can become a millionaire. You can develop a rock-like body. You can be a wonderful gymnastics. You can do anything. You can fly in the air. You can go deep into the water. Read people's mind. What is not possible? Acquire power. Everything is possible. There is nothing called impossible. But everything happens in its own time. Nature has a specific way of functioning, but it's all depend on your mind. How focused are you? How concentrated are your thoughts? That's what yield you the result of what you want to achieve. Not easy. It's not easy. If you think everything can be achieved with a technique, if you learn certain practices like tantric practices, meditation, and you will achieve everything just like that. How many people have achieved like that? A very few. Where are they taking you to? Are you getting any benefit? You have to think, does it work for me? It may be working for somebody else. But still you just want to believe it will work for you. Unless you haven't tested it, how will you know about it? You have to find it out. You have to try it out. Otherwise, how will you know? You will come to know nothing unless you haven't tried. So I say, go, dare to do it, give your all life and energy to it, then you will come to know whether it will work for you or not. Nothing come free. Nothing is free. Everything has its own price to be paid. So it's up to you. If you think you will learn some technique or somebody will give you some technique so that you will achieve money, power, position or enlightenment, no, nothing is going to happen. You simply waste your life. I don't know I have achieved anything or not. Only one thing I know, I am happy. So far I am healthy. That's all. What else? And this was my wish. So, according to my criteria, I am successful. That's it. That's all I know. So if you want something else other than the happiness, if you want money, you have to work for it. Perseverance, the hard work with a goal, you have to aim it and then you have to shoot it. There is no other way, my dear, no other way. You think things will just happen to you like that, you meditate for a few minutes a day and things will just fall on you? No, sir. No, it's not going to happen. If you think that you will find somebody in the caves of Himalayas or some people, those who attain certain powers, will they be able to help you? No. You have to help yourself. You are the creator, you are the operator, and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. Whatever you have done in the past, that's what you are suffering right now or you are enjoying. So, today you can't forego the past. It will be happening as a present. but you can create tomorrow. That's your possibility. Be strong. No weakness is going to help you. Be strong. Be happy. Happiness, I don't mean that you have to smile all the time. No. The calmness is also happiness. The love is also happiness. And the ecstasy, the bliss, the pleasantness, everything is happiness for me. Right? That's what I call happiness. Be healthy, be happy. Enjoy your life. Enjoy. That's what I say. Enjoy. Only strong people can enjoy. So be strong and enjoy. Hari Om Tat Sat.